Hi, this is GB and GB's Adventures. Today's plan, starting in the village of Mendocino on Main Street and driving to Big River Beach. Today we are going to walk up the logging trail that runs alongside of Big River. I am following Main Street up to Highway 1, where I will head south for a short distance. But sometimes the best plans have to be set aside. The first warning was a sign warning heavy trucks in and out on a very narrow road down to the beach. Then I saw my friend stopped at the bottom of the hill. Then I saw that the road ahead was blocked by a school bus unloading a bunch of kids. I pulled up next to my friend and she said that traffic was stopped because of the bus, but when they got unloaded, she would go and see if there was any parking left for us. When she returned, she had talked to a worker who said that we would be allowed to walk up the trail, but there were going to be heavy trucks going up and down. We decided that we did not want to walk on the road with heavy trucks and that the dust would be intolerable, so we decided to go to the beach instead. We are on the beach now next to the end of Big River. Across the way is the Mendocino Big River Catch a Canoe and Bicycles 2, a place where you can rent canoes, bicycles, kayaks, and all kinds of other fun stuff. This is the mouth of Big River and Big River Beach, a great place for sightseeing, sunbathing, frisbee, volleyball, kayaking, canoeing, and surfing. However, be aware of the water conditions. It can be treacherous at times. This stairway takes you up into the village of Mendocino. I'm not going to go up today though. Big River is an awesome place for kayaking and canoeing. You can explore upriver, enjoy the wildlife. Please don't disturb the wildlife though. Enjoy your day on Big River. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, would you please subscribe by clicking on my picture?